Well, good morning. We are on day 3 of demolition, and you can see I'm at the back of one of the lots here, and just wanted to let you have a look at what we do to prep the lot outside of the house area. So what we do is we scrape the entire lot down. We actually peel off all the topsoil and the grass. You can't grow new grass on old grass, and the old grass was too low, so we want to make this a nice dry lot that drains well. We're going to have to put perimeter drains down the sides, and the way that we do that is we start fresh. So we're going to be backfilling this lot with sand that gives us a lot of great drainage, and then soil on top of that. You can also see that the tree fencing that we'd installed, that was in behind the garage that used to be here, this is why we put it here, because once the garage comes down, those trees are protected. We can't touch them, we can't go in that zone there, and that goes for all the trees along the front there as well. But you can see it's a good sized lot. It's a nice deep lot, looking good. Now, another one of the things that we're doing today is we are going to start to excavate for the foundation. So you can see, we can make out the line there. What I've done is we've actually measured down from the property lines that we had our surveyor put in place. And you can see I've marked several places as to where we are actually going to need to excavate. So there's where our footings are going to be for this lot. You can see the dotted line in the middle there is actually the line of where the house will sit. So we need to dig on either side of that so that we can actually put the foundation in place and then build on top of that. So it gives you an idea of how big, nice and big, this backyard's going to be. And then I've also pinned the corner of this lot next door as well, and you can see markers on the far side. So now our excavator knows that this front section of the lot, he'll have to remove all the soil right down to clay, and then we'll have to determine our elevations once that happens, and we'll backfill sand where need to be to bring us up to the right height before we start. This house on this side, we've got a crawl space that's going in, so we actually have to excavate a fair bit lower, but we're dealing with a water table here that's quite high, so you can see it's we hit water relatively quickly. So we've got to do a little bit of engineering in regards to that. We'll figure that out later today. And as I speak, I hear another truck pulling in, so more sand to come in and more soil to move out. Comes another load of sand. And now what's going to happen is they're going to load that truck up with some more concrete. We have almost all the concrete gone off of the site.